Hello, I'm CJ Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make own gradient color in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, the presentation design page is created, and then we can add the elements for adding the gradient color. So we can go to elements and go to shapes, and we can go to basic shape and click CO. We have many shapes here. I will pick the square. Next, we can go to adjust the size. I want to enlarge it, and I move it to here. If you want to change to gradient color, we can go to top option bar. We can find colors. Click, and then we can go down to bottom. We can find default gradient colors. We can pick one of them, or we can click CO to change the gradient color. There are many gradient color. If you want to make your own gradient color, for example, I pick this gradient color. We can go back to the first page and then go to the documents color. We can find gradient color and find the setting icon, click it, and then we can pick the style. And also we can use another color. For example, I pick purple. And the second color, I will pick cyan. So if you want to add the gradient color, we can click the plus icon to add the gradient color. For example, I change it to blue. So if we want to change the positioning, we can click and drag to move it to first or move it to middle. So if you want to delete one color, we can press the cross icon. So this is how we can make own gradient color in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yin. See you in the next video.